One of the great things about being here is you get to learn all these interesting pieces of equipment. The technology is different. This is a coffee machine here. And it says, choose your drink. I think because I'm jet lagged, I'm going to have a double espresso. That's it. Grinds the beans. Flashes like that old Wurlitzer. This is wait, please. To drive the jet lag away. I think what I really love about this machine is just in case you're not paying attention, it flashes down below to let you know that the coffee's ready. How about that for a great cup of double espresso?